Yeah, nation people. The teacher said, tell mommy. Bumbo clot. Eh? So, the teacher go into the classroom and I teach excellent lesson, life learning lesson. I hope the youth them not pay attention in the classroom, you know. Tell mommy, you know. Yeah. Just hopefully the kids them in the classroom I learn and the youth them. Because guess what? More while enough man call youth and say youth, come and go up and move, we're gonna eat food. And all three of them left and all two come back. Sometimes three of them left and all one alone come back. And sometimes none ever come back to tell the tears. So it's a teachable moment. You know what I say? So nation people, when you run go over Vybz Kartel Viva, make certain when you listen to the song, make certain when you left a nice comment underneath it. You know what I say? Because the teacher execute in a remarkable fashion. You know what I say? And make certain when you don't stream it. Because no lollipop thing not dead about it. They don't know. The master of ceremony at work. You see what I say? Yeah. And lesson are issued. No gimmicks not dead about it. You see what I say? Walk on. Team good, good boy.
Good.
Team good going. Alright.
8 balls here, the main ball of the game, you know?
Come on, man.
That's right. The 8 ball here, the main
Come on, man.
We thought to him, with the 8 ball we can't have a game.
Come on,
Right
man.
or wrong?
One time,
Freshest guy in the building.
Yo, one time in America, guys used to use guns and take these jacket off you. The eight ball, you couldn't wear it in New York like that.
Yeah.
It's like drugs. Guys using gun to take your jacket off you.
Main ball, man. The main
Good,
ball.
respect here, brother. You know, I get coffee.
Yeah.
My have a sip and look at coffee. You know, I come right back, you know. I come, well, I drink that when I finish. Yeah. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm a co-worker there, man. See the fucking monster where we operate here, man. Boy, you have to block your blood clot neck to look up at this, see? You see the monster where we operate? Yeah. You know, see the new song where Vybz Kartel drop, my brother?
No.
Yeah, man, go check it out, man. Tell mommy.
Tell mommy?
Yeah. Wicked bumbuckler song. Teachable moment. But watch this nation, people, because the video now go nice without this. Or the world, it's not a plan. So watch what I go on now carefully, you know. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. I don't know it go already when I come to represent, you know. A full effect thing, man. I don't know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, I don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Yeah, man, I hit that, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I hit that, man. You see what I say? Yeah, man. A Gaza favorite. Watch me. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yes, nation people. The world boss execute properly. You see what I say? The thing shell way. What I say? Teachable moment, yo. The teacher there in the classroom and teach. Make certain you not learn. Now make the message pass on, you know, and get caught tonight. Good, my brother. Good. Make certain you make them. Yeah. 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 Two sugar milk in my coffee. I will put that thing outside. Yeah. Yeah. Make certain you not learn. A teachable moment. No gimmicks business, not that about it, youth. But you know what I say? Because I see a whole heap of people ball about no good news, it not drop. And when Skilly Bang a show, they say, yo, nah, take on to the good music. Make certain, you know, when the teacher there in the classroom, you pay perfect attention, you know, youth. And I don't know, joke thing, you know. That's what I say. No, make them valuable lesson there. Pass, you know, and get caught up in it, you know. It's a life teaching moment, you know, youth. Nobody didn't even know gimmicks business, you know, no lollipop thing, you know, the teacher deal with, you know. Because right now, what them thing they are going on in the country, you know, 15, 16, 17-year-old youth just get up and act crazy, you know. And a be of them are drop, you know. I go out on the street and now come back home to mommy, you know. No lollipop thing not there in it, you know. So when you see the buckler teacher himself, you know, in the classroom, you know, make sure you know, pay fucking attention, you know, and I learn, you know. That's what I say. Because there ain't no boy who ever come telling you them things like, oh, you see the teacher executing, I read out the files properly, you know, and make you see what I go on, you know. So now when you see the light, you know what you're supposed to do, you know, you're holding no order, you know. And I don't know, joke thing about it, you know. So nation people, make certain we run up some views on that song there. And make sure we stream the song because I don't know, gimmicks thing. Teacher, I still want a music video for politics. No gimmicks thing that there. And there's some the thing then, a lollipop thing that about here. Hear what I say right about now. This little fascisi when named Vegas, him get up and after him and him man, when him and him boyfriend should say, when him Ricky Trooper, in a some argument, him get up and I call Gaza diva, Gaza bicycle. But Vegas now no manners, now no respect. Yo, you don't know if diva black, brown, fair skin. You don't know if diva fat, slim, or diva have exquisite body with solar physics. You don't know if she have solar physics shape. You see what I say? But you call her Gaza bicycle. All because you are your boyfriend in an argument. Your boyfriend Ricky Trooper. You and him in an argument. Because me hear him tell you on the internet and him do have a response, he make everybody hear him say you for come bite him. So that means something where you do before then. Something where you used to. So me don't know if you am look a chihuahua or you am look a pool. You am look a pool dog. Because he must say you for come bite him. And before you address that and deal with him as a man, that's what I say, you start act like a bitch now and I feel like you can disrespect Gaza diva, my brother. That can't happen, you know. So I'm going to ask Ricky Trooper a question now. Ricky Trooper, where Vegas bite you? Right there, right there, right there. Ricky Trooper, where Vegas bite you? Right there, right there, right there. Your bloodsucker, oh, your vampire, oh, you Dracula. You tell us something, you know. Understand yourself, you know, boy, Vegas. Just remember, you know, say, you know, your action, you know, create the biggest, one of the biggest tune, you know, for Munga Honorable, you know. Just remember, you know, your action, you know, give Munga Honorable one of the biggest song in his career, you know. That Munga could have sing that song there, you know. Same left him yard and come back, you know. And catch him friend and give your girl a back shot, you know. And you get a new topic for sing about. You see what I say? Understand your bum buckler itself. You can't this bum buckler Gaza diva. Something wrong with you? Eh? 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 Something must wrong with you. Bum buckler, you know diva? You know who the fuck name, so? Eh? When you look a boyfriend, Ricky Trooper, and you look a bum buckler, girl pitney bum buckler, this is you know, keep them shit there to yourself. Because none of bum buckler, man. You see what I say? None of the two want to put together and make one a blood clot. None of man. Listen to the crap them who come out on the mouth for bomb buckler, man. You know, man? Eh? Boy, just try understand yourself, you know. Or bend down and blow yourself, you know. Leave diva name out of your mouth, you know, boy. Or the general, you know. The 10-star one I represent. Hear me I say right about now.
Yeah.
Make certain, you know. We're going to run up the views, you know. On the general Vybz cartel thing. No gimmicks thing like that about it. A teachable moment, nation people. You see what me I say? I make certain on the stream it. You see what me I say? Excellent world boss. You see what me I say? Whoa, well appreciated, sir. You see what me I say? Well done. 10-star. General. What? Hear me, man? Hey, a Gaza way, you know. There ain't no fucking other way. 10-star. Wow. General. Oh.